Please pay attention, guys, because this is really very serious. This is getting really very serious because AI pump token, which I am going to talk about now, it is yesterday, no, few days back, like weeks ago or 10 days ago, I made a video on what date? On 21st of January, here right now. I made a video near about price of 0.013 cents on 21st of January, and then it pumped to like up to 25 cents. Near about 90% it pumped from that price. On 22nd, if I show you the graph, on 21st of January, I made a video. I give you the price of 0.013 and it pumped just the next day, 22nd of January, up till the high of 25, 0.025, and then it drops. If you had made profits, you must have made more than 90% up here, and then it goes down and down and down, and right now it's here available at the price of 0.010. It dropped this much. So is it the right time, good opportunity to buy this right now? Is it the best time to buy the dip? That's what I am talking about is in this video, because what I have seen that the whales which bought the tokens previously, again they have bought at this level 0.010. They have again bought at the huge supply, like they have bought millions of the tokens. So they have bought the huge supply in these tokens, and so we can expect the price hike in short term. It can be go volatile. Uh, what I say, it can go in high price. So if I show you, I made a video on 21st of January. Here is my video, and if I show you just a few things, just show you my video I made on 21st of January. See this. This token is pumping secretly. This was the video that I made previously 10 days ago at the 0.0134 dollar, and it was the 21st January I made the video, and 22 January it pumped up to 0.025. Almost it would be more than 90%. So I am giving the tokens which are not pumped, which can be pumped without any loss. The ones who bought the top, they might have lost more than 50 to 60%. They have lost the money. So whenever I try to give you any tokens, I make sure that it's safe. First, I think that wherever I am putting my money, I shouldn't be losing my money. That's the first main part of my investing rule. This is my number one rule. I shouldn't be losing money. So I am also buying at this level 0.010. So within short term, yes, definitely you can see the bounce back and the price can go definitely high as fast as possible. You can double your money within short terms. So if I show you the Twitter handle of this token, they are currently having more than 1,73,000 followers, and they are actively posting. They are continuously doing work on their project. Let me just mute the sound. They are continuously doing work on their project. They are active, their teams are active. I think this is the good fundamental project. You should check out by yourself. you should do your own research before you invest in any tokens, because crypto market is highly volatile. You can face severely bad bad loss. So you should first do your own research, think that is it good for the long term, then you take your own responsibility. If you make your profit, it's your responsibility. You are responsible for that. If you made the profit, if you made the loss, you are the only one responsible who made the loss, because you just bought any random tokens blindly without any proper risk management. So you should do the risk management, like diversifying your portfolio and allowing yourself to buy at least 4 to 5 tokens, so that you don't go lose for the long terms. This is the website you said you can go and check out. I'll give the token address in my description link. I will give the token address, I will give the token link at my descriptions, so that you can go and check out the projects. First check out the project and then the fundamentals, and do your diversification. Try to allocate these, give the allocations, like if you have $1,000 or $100, give the 20% of that, so that whenever it goes down you don't feel panic. Just 20% is okay. So this is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing. This is it for today. If you like my video, please press the like button and press the subscribe button, because algorithm may recommend this video later and lately. And press the bell icon also, so that you don't miss the updates whenever I post a video on the cryptocurrency tokens, because I make the videos regularly. I don't make lots of tons of videos which will make your head go on confusions. I just make the videos, quality videos, less video but quality videos, which can give you the opportunity to make some massive huge gains profits. If you want to join the premium groups, you can check my telegram group. You can talk to me to join my telegram group. It will be premium group, and I will charge you very less, so that you can also join and make some profits. I'll guide you through that, so that you don't lose any money. That's my rule. So see you in the next video.